When it's in the wild, creepers easily get their support by clinging on to a tree or rocky mountains or rocky edges. However, when these same creepers are in our houses, it's difficult to get them to get a support. Today I will show you a very simple hack for this. Stay along. This is a common home creeper plant which is widely known as money plant, and many of the houses have them. However, to support this creeper plant, you need to have some object. Here, as you can see, we have made a ladder kind of form by using thin wood sticks so that we can support this creeper plant. Attach each strand to each row so that it has enough space to grow and it looks neat. Otherwise, if you just leave it as it is down and do not give it any support, it forms or looks like a big bush kind of thing. Also, if you do not want such a big wall structure, you can keep a short ladder kind of object, or alternatively, what you can do is place a tall rod or a PVC pipe or any plastic pipe wound with wool or with this jute material thread that you get, and you can wind all these strands of your money plant around it for extra support, so it will be standing tall. Do let me know how did you all like this hack suggestion. Please do leave your comments, and for those of you all who are new out here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting hacks. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks. Bye.